Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to program a part like this that has an L-shaped miter. Alright, so let's get to it. This is just a half-inch plywood. Alright, so I'm going to create a new setup. I'm going to go to manufacture, create setup, and my WCS is always going to be right here for the machine that I program at work. Yours is going to be different. Alright, so next tab, stock. I'm not adding any stock. And next tab is post process. And right here, I'm going to name the program L underscore shape underscore miter. And where it says program comment, I'm going to type half-inch compression bit and 90-degree bit. Okay. And I'm going to click OK. Here's my setup. All right. My first toolpath is going to be 2D contour. I'm going to create this notch, and then I'm going to use the VIP bit to come in and create the miter. All right. So I'm going to select 2D contour. I'm going to select the tool, which is a half-inch compression bit. This guy right here. Next tab, geometry. I'm going to hold down Alt on Windows, Option on Mac. I'm going to select this edge. Hold down Shift, rotate the model. Select this edge. Okay. Next tab is going to be height. So I'm gonna cut through the material. So I'm gonna go 1 millimeter past the bottom face of the part. So where it says bottom height, I'm gonna type -1. Okay. Next tab is gonna be passes, and I'm gonna change the sideways compensation to left, and I'm gonna let it step down of 6 millimeters. So I'm gonna check on where it says multiple depths. I'm gonna type 6, and where it says finishing step down, I'm gonna type 6. Okay. Oops. All right. So I'm gonna uncheck rough final, and I'm gonna uncheck order by islands, and I want to use even step down. So I'm gonna check this. All right. Under linking tab, I have leading entry check, and I have a linear leading distance of 16 millimeters. All right. And the lead out is gonna be the same. So I'm gonna click OK to see that toolpath, and there it is. All right. See even step downs. All right. So I'm gonna right click, simulate. Okay, so I just created a notch. All right. So the VIP is gonna come in, create that 90 that miter. All right. So let me close this. Okay, so I want to come in, do the miter. All right. I want to go up, down, and then out. All right. And the reason being is because I don't want to leave a radius here, that big radius. So I don't want to use a 2D contour. So what toolpath am I going to use for this? And that toolpath is under 2D, which is trace. Okay. So I'm going to select the tool. I'm going to select this VIP bit, which has 1 1/4 diameter. This is the smallest one I have at work. So I'm gonna select this guy. Next tab is geometry. So I'm gonna hold down Alt on Windows, Option on Mac. So I'm holding down Alt. I'm gonna select this edge, rotate the model, select this edge there, and this edge here. Okay. All right. So it seems like the machine is gonna start from here, go down this way, out, retract, come over here, enter, do the MITER, and it's gonna go up. I don't want to start from here. I want to start from the outside. So I'm gonna click on the arrow, this arrow right here. I'm gonna flip it. So I'm gonna start from here, go up, come down, and then out. So I'm gonna click on this arrow. So you got flip, and this arrow here. I'm gonna click on it, and all right, that looks good. Next tab, heights. No changes here. Under passes, just gotta make sure you have see where it says up, down, milling. You gotta make sure that it's on both, okay? Because it's it's gonna do up milling like that, and then down milling, and then out, okay? If I select up milling, I don't think it's gonna make any changes. I'm still gonna start from the outside, all right? Go in, go up, come down, and then out. If I select down milling, I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna start from here, down, out, and it's gonna retract, and then it's gonna start here. It's gonna go in and then up. Let's leave it the way it is, okay? We're gonna simulate it, right? On the linking tab, I'll just leave it like that, all right? So I'm gonna click OK. Right click, simulate. Boom, boom, there it is. All right. Okay, so let's go back to it. I want to show you that down milling under passes. Right click, edit, passes, down milling. Click OK. And now it's gonna start from here. See it? So I'm gonna right click, simulate, slow it down a bit, play it, it's dropping down, see it? It's gonna retract, drop down, and then do the miter, see it? Oh, click right here, see it's dropping down, slow it down a bit, play it. Okay, play one more time, so you can see it. Actually, it started from here, not from the outside. Play one more time, and it starts from here. Yep, okay, alright. Okay, you can leave it like that if you want, but I think it's gonna create more macros in Woodwop, okay, because it's retracting, alright. So I'm gonna go back to where I had it before, which was both, right, under passes. Go down to where it says up, down, milling. Drop it down, select both. I click OK. Okay. All right, guys. So that looks good. So I'm gonna post process this program, and then I'm gonna open it up in Woodwop. Okay. So I'm gonna right click on the setup, post process. Before I post process this program, you can save this toolpath. You can save this as a template. All right. So I'm gonna show you. So let's say you get another job like this, maybe a little different, a bigger size, you can use that template. You can apply it to that job. Okay. So I'm gonna select this guy. I'm gonna hold down Shift, select this guy, right click, and you go down to where it says Store as Template. All right. And you can name the template. All right. You can say whatever name that you can think of. All right. And here you can type whatever you want. You can say you can say half inch. You say half inch compression bit first, and then 90° bit. All right. Let's name this L shape miter. Okay. Parentheses, no radius, in the corner. All right. You can save this. Say where says the location. You can select. I've created so many templates, but you can click on these three dots. You can create a new folder if you want. See where it says cloud. Right click, add a new folder, and you can just name that folder whatever you want. Okay, so this is where you can save it. All right. So I'm gonna cancel that. Cancel this. And now I'm going to post process this program. Right click, post process. I'm going to open it up in Woodwop. This guy right here. Okay, so there's a program, guys. See, it's going to have the first three macros. These are the half-inch compression bit, all right? And then it's going to change to the 90° bit. See, that's one macro. See that? And then there's the other macro. It's going to come down, all right? All right, guys. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.